Today, the Civic is gonna get a big upgrade with some new LED lighting. The LEDs don't work that well and they actually flicker. Also need to upgrade the back. These are not really that bright. It's kind of concerning because people come up pretty close. They don't know that I'm actually there at night because they are halogen bulbs. Today's video is brought to you by Oxido. They make all kinds of LEDs for all kinds of makes and models. Make sure to check the link down below and y'all guys will save a little cash. Great present for buying for a Christmas gift. These are relatively cheap. Actually used to run these LEDs on my 10th gen and they were pretty freaking bright. It should be pretty simple because it's just a twist and go. We might need to install resistors in the back so that way it doesn't hyper flash, but other than that, we should get this thing ready and on the road. There's only one bulb here for the low beam and the other side, I probably have to lift up the car in order to get to the side turn signal. I'm surprised enough it comes with gloves. One on my right is newer and bigger and the one on the left is a lot smaller. Gotta plug this boy in. Alright, so next I have the wheel turn so that way I could get access. That's where the bulb is gonna be. Flip these out. This is gonna be our switch back. If you look very closely, we have two more little LEDs rather than this one. It only has two on each side. And on top we have 4 LEDs. They are both in on both sides. Still daytime outside and I can't really tell like if it's brighter or not. We will only tell and determine that once it hits a little bit darker. Still got the back to do, so let's finish that real quick. The back should be pretty simple. Take out this cover. So we're just gonna replace the reverse and the amber so that way it's also LED completely. Out with the old, in with the new. As you can see, the right one is the LED and the left one is the halogen. I try to get the reverse to come on, however, the reverse switch on this car is currently, I think, pretty bad. It looks like it's seen better days, and on this edge right here where my nail is, it's really just degrading itself, so pretty sure I'm gonna have to get a new reverse switch, which isn't too bad. It's like 15 bucks. It was working for a little bit, and it's just on and off, so kind of hard to show you guys, and by the time I pull up the camera, it stopped working, so I was like, man, what the hell? So alright, so we have the car all washed. It looks nice and shiny. Now we are going to try to take this out for a ride and see how it performs in the dark. Low beams, this is what it looks like. High beams. Low beams, high beams. And that's how the hazards look at night. They are definitely brighter, and because they are LED, they flicker just a little bit faster. I cleaned the car. It's been a while since I've seen this car so clean because it's just been collecting some dust, I ain't gonna lie. Super cold outside and it's been really hard to make videos on this car because it's so cold, but hatch looks so good. As you guys know, the whole year this car has been through the ruts and needed repainted. They needed some new things on it and I am pretty happy where it's at. Obviously, we're not done yet. We still got the swap to do. We still got a couple things that I want to order as body kit wise, but that is it. My camera's about to die. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you guys are interested in the LEDs, the link will be down in the description with the discount code. Other than that,